Now we will learn about endoplasmic reticulum, vacuoles, and cell division. First is endoplasmic reticulum. These two words consist of endoplasmic and reticulum. Endo stands for inside, plasmic stands for cytoplasm, and reticulum stands for network. It means that network inside cytoplasm. So, collectively, the endoplasmic reticulum is a large network of membrane bound tubes and sheets. In this picture, you can see that these cream color and these stand for endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum, in essence, is the transport system of the eukaryotic cell and has many other important functions such as protein folding. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. First is rough endoplasmic reticulum and the second is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. First we talk about rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum looks rough under a microscope. Why it looks rough? Because it has ribosomes. You can see here that these red color dots represent the ribosomes. Because a rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes are attached to the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. The ribosomes are the sites of protein manufacture. The manufactured proteins are then sent to the various places in the cell depending on need using the endoplasmic reticulum. Now, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum has no ribosomes. It appears smooth. It helps in the manufacture of lipids. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum also plays a major role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs in the liver cells of the vertebrates. Now we talk about vacuoles. Vacuole is a membrane bound organelle. These are small organelles which are found in animal cells, and whereas in the plant cell the vacuole is of much higher size as compared to the animal cell. Vacuole may or may not be present in the case of animal cell, whereas a vacuole of a higher size is present in the case of plant cell. Vacuole is a membrane bound organelle which is present in plant and fungal cells and some protist animal and bacterial cells. The vacuole is filled with water, sugar, minerals, and proteins. As already told, animal cells may have no or many small vacuoles. In this picture, you can see that there are three vacuoles in the animal cell. Most mature plant cells have one large vacuole. The central vacuole of some plant cells may occupy 50 to 90% of the cell volume. What is the function of the vacuole? The main function of the vacuole is to handle waste products or store useful substances like water, proteins, etc. that the cell will need later on. In this picture, this is the vacuole which has been shown in the case of plant cell. In a single celled organism like amoeba, the food vacuole contains the food items that the amoeba has consumed. Now we discuss about cell division, the process by which the new cells are made is called cell division. Cell division is a process by which a mother cell divides into two or more daughter cells. When the cell divides, everything which is present inside the cell also divides, which means that the things like nucleus, chromosomes, and cytoplasm also divide with the cell. Cell division is the process which makes growth and reproduction possible for any organism. There are two main types of cell division. First is mitosis and second is meiosis. First, mitosis. The process of mitosis has been shown here. Mitosis is the process of cell division by which most of the cells divide for growth. In the process of mitosis, each cell called the mother cell divides to form two identical daughter cells. Since that this is the mother cell and it divides into two daughter cells. The daughter cells have the same number of chromosomes as mother cell. Mitosis helps in the growth and repair of tissues in organisms. Now, meiosis. It is a special type of cell division of germ cells in sexually reproducing organisms. In meiosis, a cell divides twice. You can see here that a cell has divided first this, second time this. A cell divides twice to produce four. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. A cell divides twice to produce four new cells. This was the one cell and it has divided two times to produce four cells. The new cells have half the number of chromosomes than that of the mother cells. Now we will do the recap of what we have learned so far. Cells have a cell wall outside the cell membrane. This cell wall is not present in the case of animal cells. Nucleus is the control center of the cell. Ribosomes are the sites of protein synthesis. Lysosomes are known as suicide bags of the cell because whenever the cell is damaged beyond repair, the lysosomes eat up all the other cell organelles which are present inside the cell. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouses of the cell because they produce ATP, energy currency of the cell. Prokaryotic cells have no membrane bound organelles. Cells in the organisms divide for what purpose? For the growth of the body, for replacing dead cells, and for forming gametes for reproduction. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.